My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called LMAO. LMAO is the ransomware that is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this LMAO ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore. So the ransomware encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Very soon you see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware reveals a special ransom note. Unfortunately, this ransom note has got some really filthy language, not really decent, sinful, filthy words are used here. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery and for file decryption. Indeed, the files are encrypted and this LMAO extension is appended to the file names. But we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the system by clicking on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available. So then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned, and it may also depend on other factors too. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature called anti-ransomware doesn't decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. At the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware. And you may always request free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. File decryption is described in the detailed article, which you may find in the description to this video.